people says that if you really want to speak in English, so you should listen in English, read in English, write in English, speak in English. Also, you should start think in English. But how to start think in English? It's very difficult to think in another language which is not our native language. So how to start think in English? So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful method. Believe me, I used this method when I was learning this language. I used this method a lot and it helped me to start think in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful method. With the help of one single method you can easily start think in English. You can easily create some sentence in English, and once you do this practice at your home, at your office, so you can easily deliver your thoughts in English in front of the public. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful method, and this method can easily enhance your thinking ability in English. So method name is picture visualization. Yes, this is the best method, and yes, I used this method when I was learning this language, and still I am, I am using this method whenever I get some picture in my, my office or market. Whenever I watch some picture, so I easily create some sentence in my mind, and this habit helped me to deliver my thoughts in English. Okay, so how to use this, how to follow this method for learning this language. So now I'm going to show you with you everything related to picture visualization step by step. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one picture. You can watch this picture very carefully. So this is the first picture. Okay, you can see what are you watching in this picture. आप इस पिक्चर में क्या देख रहे हैं? First you need to collect some objects name. So yes, there is a river. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक नदी है, नदी को river बोलते हैं. Okay, so you can easily create a picture sentence in English. There is a river. Okay, there is a river. Now second thing you will see, like okay, in a river bank there is a tree. There is a tree. Okay, so yes, you have a two sentence in your mind. Okay, while watching this picture, there is a river and there is a tree. Now look at this picture very carefully. In river water there is a big leaf. You can see there is a big leaf. Yes, there is a leaf. Leaf means patti. Now watch it very carefully again. In leaf there is a ant. You can see in leaf there is a ant. Ant means cheetah. Okay, you can see. Now let's take another sentence. In tree there is a pigeon. There is a pigeon. There is a white pigeon. White pigeon को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Dove. D-O-V-E, dove. There is a dove. Okay, now you have a 5-6 sentence in your mind by watching this one picture. Now think about you are a beginner. Okay, so आप इसमें क्या क्या देखेंगे? Okay, river, very easy. River, tree, ant, pigeon, 4 objects. You can easily say, even you don't know about this language, but you can easily say 4 or 5 things like ant, pigeon, tree and river. Okay, now let's create a short story by watching this picture. Okay, I'm not going to give a story, but I'm going to create 3 or 4 sentences by watching this picture. So yes, there is a river, there is a big tree. On tree, a pigeon was sitting in a tree. A ant, climbed up on a leaf and the leaf is floating. Okay, so yes, you have a 5 or 6 sentence in your mind by watching this picture. Let's move on second picture. So this is the second picture. Now watch it very carefully. Look at this picture very carefully and think what is happening in this picture. Okay, so yes, in this picture there is a, I think there is a hunter. Hunter means shikari. There is a hunter, and yes, same, there is a tree, there is a river, there is an on tree, a pigeon was sitting. You can see on tree, पेड़ के ऊपर एक कबूतर बैठा हुआ है, and this is dove, white pigeon, that is called dove. Okay, and yes, look at this picture very carefully, second picture very carefully. There is a ant which is it is, you know, biting hunter's foot. You can see there is a ant, it is biting hunter's foot. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, देखिए यहाँ पे एक चींटी है जो हंटर के पैर पर काट रही है. ओके, सो आई क्रिएट अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. देयर इज अ आंट विच इज, यू नो, बाइटिंग. बाइट मीन्स काट रही है. हंटर्स फुट, हंटर के फुट पे काट रही है. द हंटर इज, यू नो, pointed, and the hunter is pointing his arrow towards the pigeon. You can see hunter is pointing his arrow towards the pigeon. He, I think, ये इसको मारना चाहता है. hunter wants to kill pigeon. Okay, अब हमारे पास पिक्चर को देखने से तीन कुछ सेंटेंस इकट्ठे हो गए, कुछ हमारे पास वोकेबुलरी इकट्ठी हो गई, और इसके लिए आपको कोई भी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी. एवरीवन बड़ी इजी, कोई भी इस चीज़ को बता सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ अब मैं आपसे बोलूँगी कि नाउ यू शुड क्रिएट अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी वाई वॉचिंग दीज टू पिक्चर. And you will think, okay, it's very difficult. No, it's not very difficult. You should, you know, start or create a 3 or 4 sentence, create a short story. देखिए पहले में क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे एक पिजन है, पेड़ के ऊपर बैठा है, और एक पत्ता नदी के ऊपर तैर रहा है, पत्ते के ऊपर एक चींटी है. ये तो आपने देखा. सेकंड वाले में क्या हुआ, सेकंड वाले में आप बड़े आराम से देखिए, एक पिजन पेड़ के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है, एक हंटर है जो पिजन की ओर एरो करके बैठा हुआ है, उसके पैर पर चींटी ने काटा है. तो ये कब हुआ, इस दोनों पिक्चर को देखने के बाद मेरे मन में एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी बन रही है. मैं आपको वो शॉर्ट स्टोरी बताने जा रही हूँ, बट आपको बहुत ही ध्यानपूर्वक इस स्टोरी को समझना है, और इसी तरह आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आप कोई भी पिक्चर को देखेंगे और आप उस पर एक स्टोरी बनाना शुरू करेंगे, you know, with yourself. Okay, start this practice with yourself. Don't you know, go outside, and don't wait for your friend that will come and then you will start. Okay, it's just start with yourself. Okay, now I'm going to create a short story why seeing these two picture. So I think स्टोरी शुड बी इन पास्ट टेंस. ओके, जस्ट कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. जब भी आप कोई भी स्टोरी बताने जा रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान ये देना पड़ेगा कि जो स्टोरी है वो हमेशा पास्ट टेंस में ही चलती है. ओके, सो मैं स्टोरी ऐसे बताने जा रही हूँ. ओके, वंस अपॉन ए टाइम, इट वॉज हॉट डे. I think our aunt was very thirsty, so she went to the river to drink water. Suddenly, she lost her balance and fell into the water. Then there was a pigeon. He is sitting in a tree. So the aunt cried, "Help, help!" So the pigeon heard aunt's cry, and he dropped a big leaf into the water. So the aunt climbed up onto the leaf, and the leaf floated to the river's bank. In this way, aunt saved his life. So this is the first picture, you know, story. Let's move on second picture. After some time, the aunt saw a hunter. You can see, after some time the aunt saw a hunter, and the hunter had pointed his arrow towards the pigeon because he wanted to kill him. Okay, so the aunt crawled up on hunter's foot and bit him. So the hunters dropped his arrow and cried, "Ouch!" and his arrow dropped. So in this way, the dove, or I mean to say pigeon, was saved. So the pigeon and the ant helped each other like a good friend. Now, after creating this story, there you should give a title. Okay, you should give a title. I mean to say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. जो विपत्ति में आपका सहारा बने वही आपका पक्का मित्र होता है. Okay, so yes, this is the whole process of picture visualization. You should start this habit. I mean, whenever we go outside in a market, anywhere, you should think in your mind and try to create short story. Try to create, anything. Just start some scene in your mind and create some short story, create some short sentence. And whenever you feel stuck, okay, I don't know what is the meaning of this object in English, then just go to the Google and write what is the meaning of this, and just create some sentence in your mind. And in this way you can easily achieve this habit, I mean to say, think in English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.